Hi guys, Nikita here. Virtuosity Network, got it going on? Hey, I'm here basically to let you guys know that today is skincare day. So, we want to get our skincare regimen down. You want to do this every week, maybe every 3 days if you wear a lot of makeup. But skincare and skin pampering is one thing that is very important to your process in wearing makeup. Believe it or not, makeup is actually skin care. So there's processes that you have to use, or should I say there's steps that you have to take in order to maintain healthy skin underneath the makeup so that you don't have to wear it all the time, because that's the point, right? So I just want to let you know some of the things that I use. I get a lot of questions about what do I use on my face, like if I wear makeup, that sort of thing. And the answer is no, I don't wear makeup. I do wear like eyelashes, so I guess that would be something sort of like makeup. Mascara sometimes. I'll wear eyeliner sometimes. I'll even go as far as like having little dots on the sides, you know, just to be jazzed up a little bit more. I'll even go as far as wearing a bronzer and a powder as opposed to a foundation, but I haven't done that in a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with what it is that I use. I want to show you guys what it is that I use. I'm totally natural based, so you can pretty much eat everything I use on my face. So I do want to let you guys know that. I'll show you guys exactly what it is, and then I'll leave in the description where it is that you can get these products from. And you know, since they are food, you can take advantage of whatever discounts it is that you may have or be able to take advantage of. So I'll go ahead and get into that. I'll be right back and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, I'm back now. It may, again, this regimen may work for you. It may not, but again, it's a natural regimen that I found that works for me, keeps my skin clear, and it helps to where I don't have to use a whole lot of makeup or foundation or cover up or anything. So I'll go ahead and let you know what it is. The first one is coconut butter, and it's by Maranatha is what I pronounced it. I hope I'm not pronouncing it incorrectly, but like I said, it's food. It's a creamy one instead of the one that isn't creamy because it's easier to mix for me. It is very gritty like coconuts. That's good because it's a very good property for exfoliant. However, just to let you know, this isn't like something that you can not rinse off. You do want to rinse this off, or if you put it in a lotion or something like that, you want to make sure that you're using something that makes it oilier than what it is, because it is kind of, you know, it's creamy but it's chalky. And I also use coconut oil. As you can see, it's a natural style of coconut oil, non-genetically modified organisms, USDA organic. So it has everything like that, and the ingredients are strictly that coconut oil. That's it. It's nothing else that is in it. So that's why I like that. The next thing I use is castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil by Talia Wajid. I got a discount on this, but you can use castor oil in any form as long as it's really thick. You want the really thick style of castor oil, and I'll show you. See, it barely pours. Like, you barely get a pour, as you can see. So you want to make sure that it's really thick. And I use olive oil. This one just happened to be on sale for $6, but it's a very expensive oil, but I do buy extra virgin or extra virgin, and it's great. I mix it for my scalp. I use it also for my face, and so it's very good. And so what I do is I mix all of these ingredients together, and then I apply this on my face while I'm in the shower. I wash, I do my thing, and then I rinse it off. And that's what I do every day after I wash my face. So go ahead, try these things. Again, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think about what it is that we've been testing for you. Also, like I said, leave a comment on what you may want us to try per se, or what it is that you've been doing and what you see that's been working for you. So, and we'll go ahead and see if that may work for anybody else. All right, well, thanks so much for tuning in. Talk to you soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.